guys all doing? I'm really sorry I haven't been able to put out my weekly videos. You know, life's just been life lately. You know, I work a full-time job and I also donate my time to search and rescue. So, you know, I still have to have some fun time out in the woods, but I don't always get to film it. And so basically I'm going to give you a little bit of camera roll, what's gone on the last month. And you'll see it's not all been out in the woods. I got a couple new projects going, got another vehicle here, as well as a few new toys. So check out the sites. Hope you enjoy this and enjoy this crazy music.
Yeah, Dr. Zeus, yeah, Zeus, yeah, nigga, yeah, literacy matters. Walk it in my pocket, yes, walk it in my pocket, walk it in my pocket, huh? Walk it in my pocket, okay. Walk it in my pocket, yes, walk it in my pocket, says walk it in my pocket, yeah, walk it in my pocket, yeah, walk it in my pocket, say walk it in my pocket. Did you ever have a feeling there's a basket in your basket?
Many projects right now. Still got this project and that project over there to work on, which I really want that done because it's salmon season right now. But this project will get me places. Little look under the hood. Gonna have to fix this right away. Nice battery hold down there. Oh no, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. Leaks oil like crazy. Interior's dirty, ugly. We're gonna fix that. It smells like wet dog in here, but we'll get that fixed up. And how many miles does she have on her? Can you see that? $242,353. So I'm not sure how the original battery hold down goes. There's a hole down there for one of these typical systems that you get, but there isn't one on this side. But there is, however, a threaded hole right there. So the plan is to make my own bracket. It's going to connect over there and connect right here. And there's the finished product. Works really well. Got a little rubber stopper down inside just to keep it from vibrating. So let's take a look at some old parts real quick. You can see these things here almost rubbed completely off. Bad shape. Look at the rotor. Big old burn mark in it. Then look at my plug. Plenty of nasty stuff on that. So all in all, good time to do this. This is the MP Bodyguard in 380. You're good.
Yeah, it's just like a revolver, dude. It's a double action pistol.
Or neural in your bureau, or was it in your closet? Sometimes I feel quite certain there's a jerkin in the curtain. Sometimes I have a feeling there's a Zap behind the clock, and that Zap up on the shelf. I have talked to him myself. I said that Zap up on the shelf. I have talked to him myself. That's the kind of house I live in. There's an ink up in the sink, and that Zap up in the lamp, and they're nice. I really think. And some of them are friendly, like that yacht up in the pot, but that yacht in the bottle. Some are friendly, some are not.
I got so many projects going right now. It's driving me crazy. My garage is destroyed. I can't get in here, get anything done. I can't find anything. It's kind of one of those things where I help my son do a shower, then I move from that to helping another friend do something else. So my tools have gone from buckets to boxes over the last couple weeks, and my whole life is just messed up here.
On the table and that gear under the chair, but that bofo on the sofa, well, I wish he wasn't there. And those numbers in the cupboards, yeah, they're fun to have about. But that new brush on my toothbrush, see him I could do without. And that one I'm really scared of is the bug under the rug. So the one I'm really scared of is the bug under the rug. And that 20 in the chimney, I don't like him at all. And it makes me kinda nervous when the Zoss goes down the hall. And the yips up on the steps, they are great to have around. They are many, many other friends that I have found. Like the teller and the neller, and the yeller and the deller.
You know, if you're ever wondering if a Gorilla Pod's worth it or not, you know, try to do this with a regular tripod. Look at that. That's right, balancing on the edge of the corner. So far here, we've built the frame to go into here. I'm gonna add a couple pieces in the corners there for support for our drawers later, or doors rather. And right now, I'm gonna cut out a section here so we can get this pattern going. So here we go. Access down here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Both sides, all the way to the back. Do the rest another time.
And the cellar, and the cellar, and that yelling on the ceiling, and that sour in my shower, and that pillow on my Zillow. I could talk to him for hours. I don't care if you believe it. That's the kind of house I live in. And I hope I never leave it.
Well, my search group has been called out again on my way out to the Seven Hills area to assist in a search. We'll see how it goes. It's a really steep area, very thick, but it's also very isolated as well. Yeah, say it looks like there's fresh trails all the way through here.
Man, I've only seen those like really high up.
Yeah, me too.
These are some of the biggest ones I've ever seen.
Picture these are wild looking alien things. It's actually
That is fascinating.
doesn't look like anybody's in it though. Yeah. So I'm back at the house now, and we've concluded search efforts for the day. Basically, what we're looking for is a man who's in his mid-60s, who's been gone for about 7 days now. He lives in Portland, which is about 6 hours from where we're at. Really, by the time you get out to where his car was, closer to 7 hours. And he's done this every month for a while. He's looking for a meteorite. And he didn't come home. So we've located his vehicle and begun searching all around to find him. And no help, no hope. The dogs haven't found anything. It's an area with a great tidal influence with all the water. So there's like little beaver trails that kind of run through things, and they could be 3 to 4 feet deep in some cases, and even mountain terrain. And I mean, you name it, it's out there. We got mangroves, we got pine trees, we got pine forests, we got up and down. We got creeks, we got washes, and we got a river running through it all. But anyway, so it's been a really rough day. I took a tumble and fell and injured my knee. Yep, that great knee of mine that always gives me all that trouble. But you know, hey, what can I say? I'll live through it. It's just pain. It's got bone spurs in it, so there's nothing like broken or torn or anything like that. Just dealing with the pain, you know, hey. If I got to deal with pain, I'll deal with pain for a while. Putting off that knee replacement as long as I can. I'm only 49 years old, so I'm not really looking forward to going under the knife for that and then having to deal with all that. So I'm going to wait a while. When I officially retire, I'll probably get it done. But anyways, back to our search efforts. We're going to have a storm in tomorrow, so we're not going to be searching tomorrow. We're going to pick it back up on Sunday and see what we can find out there. Hopefully we'll find some clues. We've got dogs and drones and helicopters and everything out there, and no luck. Hopefully we find this man and put some closure to his family.
Come, you're forbidden. I don't care if you believe it. That's the kind of house I live in. And I hope I never leave it. You can't come, you're forbidden. Walk it in my pocket. There's a walk it in my pocket. There's a walk it in my pocket. There's a walk it in my pocket. Mama, walk it in my pocket. Walk it in my pocket. Walk it in my pocket. There's a walk it in my pocket. Zeus! Mama, read me a book. Read me a book.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Take care. Don't stop thinking for yourself.